walk on over. When you have everything put away, have a seat crisscross in your square. Good job, Ryan. Thanks for being so careful of the computer. I appreciate it. We're going to turn and look this way at the screen. I have it so the kids can see at home. You look great. Thanks, Adelia. Prince, thanks for coming over. All your spots look so clean. Mason, Jordan, great job, my sweets. Tamia and DeAndre, can I have you guys turn this way and look this way, my loves? Prince, can you look this way, sweetie? We're going to be here. Did you guys have a great snow day at home? Yeah. I woke up and there was just so much snow and I went, oh, I don't think we're going to have school. And then no school. Come on over, my dears. When you're done, you can walk on over. Yeah, sweetheart. Yes, Jordan and then DeAndre. DeAndre, can you scooch back one, sweetheart? Jordan sits here. I'm sorry, Ryan. What were you saying, hon? Really? You made tacos and sandwiches? That's awesome. Zaya, come on over, sweetheart. That's awesome. All right, let me see. Mr. Barch is telling me. Okay, come at 9, please. All right. Mr. Barch is helping me, making sure I'm doing this computer thing right. All right, my loves, let's get started because we got to get to the bathroom at 9. My loves, how many days are there in a week? Can you raise your hand? Tamia, how many days? 7. There are 7. Sing with me, my sweets. Ready? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Good job. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well, we were supposed to be at school yesterday, but because of the snow, we weren't. So if yesterday was Tuesday, raise your hand. What day is it today? London. You know what day comes after Tuesday? Not Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You got it, sweetheart. My turn first. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Good job. W-E-D.
W-E-D.
Good job. N-E-S.
N-E-S.
Woohoo. D-A-Y.
D-A-Y.
Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Awesome. You guys did great. All right, my sweets, how many months are there in a year? How many months in a year? Kylan. Remember, there's a bunch. Close, not 10, sweetheart. How many months in a year? Ryan.
11.
Close, not 11. One more. 12. Say 12 months in a year.
12 months in a year.
Awesome, my sweets. You can stand in your spots. We're going to do our little dance. Here we go. We're not going to go too fast. This is the first day back and we're all a little sleepy. Here we go. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Have a seat. Yes, Mrs. Tabor.
I would like to take London and Prince Ellis.
Perfect. London and Prince Ellis, would you go with Mrs. Tabor? She will bring you right back. Thanks for being so careful. All right, my sweets. If yesterday was January 26th, what number is today? Our month is January. Yesterday was January 26th. What number is today? What comes after 26? Zaya. After 26?
5.
Nope.
2.
Not 2. Ryan. 27. After 26 comes 27. Ryan, what does a 27 look like? Tamia, honey. What, sweetheart? A 26 is a 2 and a 6. So what does 27 look like? Sorry, sweetie. You got it, sweetheart. And what shape comes after one triangle? Here, look here, sweetheart. Rectangle, hexagon, triangle, triangle, rectangle, hexagon, triangle, another triangle. Come on up, Ryan. Good job, sweetheart. You can put up 27th for today. I need a friend to write the date for me. And that friend is Tamia. You haven't written the date yet. Tamia, would you like help or do you want to do it by yourself? All right, she's going to write January 27th.
I want help from my friends.
You want help from your friends. All right, grab a marker, sweetheart. What should Tamia write first for our date? What should she write first? Mason. A J. Uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase. It's the name of the month. Sweetheart, would you write uppercase J for me? Here, that one doesn't need right.
Oh,
There you go, sweetheart. Honey, you got to sit crisscross because I keep stepping on you, babe. Good. What should she write after the J? A. What letter says A? Raise your hand, sweetheart. Zaya. A. Tamia, you're going to write lowercase a. Hi, Jair. Perfect. That's right where you sit, sweetheart. J. And. What letter says What letter says Adelia. N. All right, Tamia, write lowercase n. Here, I'm going to help you quick so that you can sit crisscross. Follow along with us. All right, sit crisscross, my sweet. Honey, you can't erase it. I have to use a wipe, sweetheart. So you got to make sure you're being very careful. Can't erase this. All right, try again, sweetheart. Thank you, boys and girls, for sitting and waiting so quietly. What does she write after her N? J and U. What comes next? What comes next, Adelia? A U. All right, sweetheart, you're going to write a U. Next time, honey, you got to put it nice and close. Otherwise, you're going to run out of room, okay? January. What two letters come next to say air? DeAndre, what two letters come next? What letter is this? You got it. All right, Tamia, you're going to write an A and then an R. Okay, you got to put your, no, honey, you got to put your R right next to it, sweetheart. Otherwise, you're going to run out of room. What goes next? January. E. What letter stole that E sound? What letter stole the E sound, Kylan? Do you know what letter that is, sweetie? A Y. You got it. All right, Tamia, you're going to make a Y. Right here, right next to your R. Otherwise, you're going to run out of room. Short line and a long line. All right, what does she write after her month? Then you look down here and she's going to write her date, Jordan. And what is her date today? All right, Tamia, you're going to write 27. A 2 first and then a 7. Good job, Jordan. After her date, she needs a cute little comma. You guys got it. All right, make your cute little comma, sweetheart. Backward smile, backward C. Ooh, that's a nice one right down there on that bottom line. Good work. She has her month, her date, her comma. Now she needs her year. What does she write first in her year? Look up here. Jerry, what number goes first in the year? 2020. Right, but what number does she write first? Just a 2. Write a 2 first, sweetheart. What number does she write after the 2? 2 and then what, Ryan?
0.
And then a 0. You got it, buddy. All right, sweetheart, write a 0. What does she write third? 2, 0. What goes third? A 2. You got it, Adelia. And what goes fourth? What is she going to write fourth? 2, 0, 2. You got it, Jair. A 1. Awesome. Boys and girls, say thanks, Tamia.
Thanks, Tamia.
All right, sweetie, you can pull your cap off. I'm going to take a picture to send to Mommy and Daddy. I'm going to stand right here, okay? Right here. Take your cap off. Put that in the tray. All right, can you stand right next to it, sweetheart? So I'm going to send a picture to Mommy. All right, smile at me. Cute. Got it. All right, my love, you can have a seat. Good job writing the date, sweet girl. My loves, you can grab your pretend microphones. Yeah, clear those froggies out of your throat. Here we go. Read it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is January 27th, 2021. Say, have a great Wednesday. Great job. And you are 2021. I don't always remember that. Look up here. This is a little tricky. What are we counting by? When it says 100, 90, 80. Ooh, that is tricky. Thanks, Nizia, for being so careful of the computer, sweetie. What are we counting by? Nizia, look this way, honey. Turn and look this way. We're looking over here, babe. We're counting by
100.
Not hundreds. Close, sweetheart. What? Tens. But are we counting forwards?
No.
We're counting.
Backwards.
You got it, sweet girl. We're counting backwards. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 100, 90, 80. I need somebody to come and write what would come next. So we're counting backwards. 100, 90, 80. Oh, Adelia, you're doing a good job looking up here. London is not here right now. Nazir, would you come write what would come next, sweetheart? 100, 90, 80. Do you want to come up or should I pick someone else, sweetheart? Do you want to come up and write it or do you want me to pick someone else, honey? Okay, come on up, but you need your mask up. All right. You need to write, look, 100, 90, 80, 70. You need to make a 7 and a 0. Right here, a 7 and a 0. Just wait, sweetheart, okay? A 7. Good job. And then a 0. You guys are watching him so nicely, having good teacher eyes. Good. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. A 6 and a 0. Oh, here, sweetheart. You're going to write it on the next line right here. A 6 and a 0. I know it's nice because now you guys get to do this. You don't have to watch me do it all. Good. And then a 0. And then a 0 right next to it. All right. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. You got it. 50. A 5 and a 0. Do you need help with your 5? Okay, we're going to do it right here. You're going to come down and around and give it a hat and then a 0. Then you need a 0. Awesome. Boys and girls, say great job, Nazir. All right, sweetheart, can you cap the marker for me, please? Yes, sweetheart. I will tie that for you in just a second, okay, my love? My sweets, when we're counting backwards, it is much easier for us to count. Start at the back and count up. So let's do that. Count with me. Ready? Start back here at 50. Ready? Set. Go. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1. Awesome job. All right, my sweets. I need you to tell me if yesterday was day number 87. Not yesterday. We didn't have school yesterday. Last week, Friday, was day 87 of school. What number comes after 87? What number comes after 87? 85, 86, 87.
88.
Caleb, what comes after 87? 88. You got it. What does 88 look like, sweetheart? What does 88 look like? No, that would be AT. an 8 and a 1, an 8 and a 2, an 8 and a 3, an 8 and a 4, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 6, 8 and a 7, 8 and what comes after? No, honey, what comes after 7? Not 6. After 7 comes 8. So 88 is an 8 and an 8. 88. 88. Can you stick that up for me, sweetheart? Awesome. Let me turn you guys down so you can see a little bit better. Here we go. Awesome, Caleb. I need someone to be my careful colorer. And that friend is Kylan, sweetie. Your stick is in. Okay, sweetheart, you will get picked soon, my sweet. Kylan, would you come up and color the 88th day for me, please? Here you go, sweet girl. I need someone to write the number 88 on my... Nazir, you need to have a seat, sweetheart. That's not for playing with. That's for children learning at home, sweetheart. Nazir, look at me. Do you understand? I need someone to write 88. Adelia, would you come write 88 in 10s and 1s for me, sweet girl? Wow, I have some neat colorers. Good girl, Adelia. Hold on, sweetie. We're going to go in a little bit, okay, babe? Can you wait? Go ahead. 88. Yep. Thank you, honey. Great job coloring. That looks very neat. Say neat work, Kylan.
Neat work, Kylan.
Yeah, she stayed right in the lines. Adelia, you wrote 88 in 10s and 1s. Sweetheart, is 88 even or odd? It is even. How do you know, sweetheart? What number did you look at? The front or the back? You looked at the back. There's an 8. An 8 is an even number. Good job, my love. You did great. Boys and girls, say great job, Adelia. I need a clock helper. So I'm going to pick a friend. Hopefully they're sitting crisscross with their hands in their lap. Prince Ellis is not here right now. Ryan is in the bathroom. I'm almost out of sticks in here. Jordan is here. Jordan, would you pick a friend who's raising their hand to tell you what time to show? Tamia, what time should she show on the clock? What time? What, honey?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. That's what time school starts. Thanks, sweetheart. You can have a seat. Jordan's going to show us 8 o'clock. I need a friend to come up here and write 8 o'clock. Caleb, would you write 8 o'clock for us, sweetheart? Jordan is showing it on the analog clock. Caleb's going to write 8 o'clock. Awesome. You can have a seat, sweetheart. Thank you. Jordan put the little hand to the 8 and the big hand up to the 12 for 8 o'clock. And Caleb wrote 8 o'clock, 800. Say, great job, Jordan. Say, great job, Caleb. 2 high fives. Awesome work. You guys are doing great. All right, I need a coin cup helper. When we count our coins, which coin do we count first? We have dimes and pennies in our coin cup. Which coin do we count first when we count our money? We count the, Adelia? The dimes. Why do we count the dimes first, sweetheart? They are more money. So my coin cup helper is Jair. Jair, would you come up, sweetheart? Can you pull that up for me, sweetie, please? All right, Jair's going to come up here. Sweetie, you can just step on through. Jordan, I need you to sit crisscross, sweetie, so we can get through. Yep, you scooch up one more, Jaden. Yep. All right, sweetie, we're going to count the dimes first. How many dimes do you see in there, honey?
2.
2. Can you draw 2 dimes for me, my love? You can take a marker right here. You can take one of those, and can you just draw 2 circle dimes for me, sweetie? Great job, Jair. How are we going to know those are dimes, honey? What could we write on the top so that we know those are dimes? Ryan, honey, can you go to Mr. Porter? He can get you an extra one, or you can go get one from your backpack if you have one, okay? How are we going to know those are dimes? What should he write on the top? Raise your hand. What is he going to write on the top to know those are dimes? How much is a dime, Adelia? 10 cents. Sweetheart, can you write a 10 on top of these two coins? Can you write a 10 for me? A dime is 10 cents. Just write it. Yep. Good job. All right, sweetheart. How many pennies do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 pennies. Can you draw 6 pennies, sweetheart? I'm coming to tie your shoe, honey bunny. You're just going to have to wait, honey. We're going to go in a little bit. All right, sweetheart. Thanks for being so patient. Good. Can you draw a line right here between your dimes and your pennies for me? Perfect. And then how much is a penny worth, Jair? Do you remember? 1 cent. Can you write a 1 on top of each one for me, sweetheart? Boys and girls, you are all doing really, really great. Jair, you're really doing great. All right. Jair, can I have you just step over to the side a little bit? Yeah, you can. Can you just put that at your spot, honey, and I'll put that on you in a little bit. My loves, I would like you to look up here and count by 10s, and then we're going to switch and count by 1s. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 10, 20, switch. 21. Good job. 22.
23.
20. And a 6. Here we go. All right, I need a weather helper. What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Sorry, boys and girls on live stream. Sometimes it goes away, but it'll always come back. Raise your hand. She looked. What do you think it's like outside? What do you predict? You can say, I predict it. Tell me what you predict. Jair. You predicted snowy. You might be right because it snowed a lot yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah.
Good sentence, sweetie. I predicted snowy. What do you predict? Mason. Say, I predicted snowy. There you go. We want to talk in complete sentences. Awesome job. What do you predict? Ryan.
Sunny.
You predicted sunny. Those days are my favorite. I hope so. And one more. DeAndre, what do you predict?
We're gonna call it good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. What did you say, sweetheart? I'm sorry. I was talking to Mrs. Tabor. Snowy? He predicts it's snowy. Hey, Tamia, what's it like out there?
Well, I have a blue sky.
You saw blue sky. So then what does that kind of weather mean, DeAndre, honey? What does it mean if the sky is blue? What kind of day is it?
It's a sunny day.
Yay! Let's sing, my sweets. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. She's putting up her sunny tag. Weather helper, you can stay right there so you can see the graph. What kind of weather has the most?
Sunny.
Yes, you got it, sweetheart. Who has the second most?
Cloudy.
Ooh, you just know without even looking. And my sweet, who has the least?
Snowy and rainy.
Say, way to go, Tamia. Oh, are you okay, babe? She knew what the graph said without even looking at it. You had it memorized. Good job, my love. My sweets, I would like you to quietly stand in your square. Ooh, nice job. I would like you to tell me what we should count by tens, evens, or odds. And you can tell me what action you would like us to do. If we're going to clap, stomp, snap, whatever. You can tell us what you would like to do. Ryan, what should we count by first, sweetie? One? Wait, not ones. You can pick tens, evens, or odds, sweetheart. Odds. You wanted to start at one. That's what you were saying. What should we do while we count odds, sweetheart? Snap. Here's the deal. If you don't know how to snap, just pretend. Just pretend. No one's going to know that your fingers aren't making sound. All right, so don't snap yet. I want you to count and snap with me. You got to count and snap. Can you do that? Awesome. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Awesome job. What should we count by next? We did odds. Nice ear, honey. What should we count by next? Jaden. We can.
By 10.
Tens. You want to do it Miss Johnson's way or normal? All right, count by tens with me. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome. And what is last to count by? We did odds. We did tens. So what's last to count by, Kylan? We did odds and we did tens. What one's left? Evens. And sweetheart, how should we count our even numbers? Bless you. Stomping. You got it, babe. Make sure you're looking up here. So you're saying the right number. Stomping. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Awesome. My sweets, I would like you quietly to have a seat. My line leader today is Caleb. We're going to go to the bathroom, have snack, and then reading. Caleb, would you go line up on the X and pick a friend who's sitting so quietly to come and join you? My kids on live stream, thanks so much for joining. I appreciate it. You guys are good to go until we come back for reading at like 9:15, 9:20, okay? I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining. All right. Caleb, who are you going to pick, sweetheart? Honey, no. Caleb, who are you going to pick, honey bunny? Oh, you picked Jair? Awesome. All right, Jair, honey, who are you going to pick to come line up with you? Tamia, awesome. Jair, honey, you line up way at the back, sweetheart. You are way at the back, my love. All right, who are you going to pick next, sweetheart? Who are you going to pick next? Tamia, who are you going to pick, honey? Kylan, who are you going to pick? This live stream thing is tricky. I can't figure it out. You got to say names, sweetie. Prince Ellis? Are you talking about Zaya? Zaya, honey. You can go line up and you can pick a friend. Zaya, who are you going to pick, sweetheart? London. Good girl saying a name. London, who are you going to pick? Adelia. Adelia, who are you going to pick, sweetheart? Jordan. So the kids were on, and I'm recording. It's still recording, but the person raising their hand up here to click export totally left, and I can't find it. Jordan, who are you going to pick, my love, to come line up? Nizer, honey, have a seat. You can pick Jaden, DeAndre, Prince Ellis, Nizer, Ryan, or Mason? Prince Ellis, you may go line up and you can pick a friend to come and join you. What's his name? Do you remember? DeAndre. DeAndre, you can go line up. Who are you going to pick, sweetheart? What's his name? Do you remember? Mason. Yeah, I didn't stop recording yet because I wanted the guy to show up so I could take attendance.
We're gonna have to restart it. It's not a big deal.
So those kids won't be in attendance then?